Hi, I'm Conrad Eddington with Eddington's Etc. I'm going to show you some things that you probably haven't seen in Clarksville before, so stick around for a few minutes and I'm going to show you some beautiful things. First of all, Steve, pan back a little bit. This is a large sectional and it's very, very unusual in the marketplace. But I wanted to show it to you just because most people don't realize that you can get furniture like this in Clarksville, Tennessee. I'm not going to give you the name brand or anything, but the sectional is very French. It is very beautiful and it has a lot of down pillows in it. All these have like down inside of them. So I don't want to necessarily scare people away, but generally when you buy a lot of down things, it's kind of up there in price point. But you know what? That's okay. We have every price point in this store from like $5.99 sofas all the way up to craziness. And I say that all the time for people walking in. But what you see is what you get on this, okay? Now, I'm going to pan back just a little bit more so y'all can see this next sofa. This is also what you see is what you get. But again, it's very French. This is called the Repertoire, I believe. And what I try to do is mix things up a little bit. Like that really does not go with this sofa, that end table, so I mix something else up with it. This is actually the matching end table that goes with it. Also here, if I wanted to, I could pull this chair over with this and coordinate it. I don't know if you could tell that on the film or not, but that's okay, it'll look good. Large tables. This could be a foyer table. We could even put a round glass on top of it and put a table and 4 chairs to make a dinette that's completely unique and different. That's what this store is all about. If you're trying to find something unique and different, come on in. Give me a few minutes and I'll try to find it for you if I can. Let's see, let's walk back a little bit further, Steve. Walk back to your right and I'll show you this next sofa. This is another gorgeous little sofa and it's a little smaller frame, obviously, compared to a monster sectional, but it's all three are from the same company. Very unique wood trims, but it's made beautifully and it's meant to last a lifetime. There are some other things out there that we can buy that are probably a little less, but they sit as hard as a rock. And what's the point of that, okay? Now, if you see something in the store that I have a sofa, but I don't have a love seat, generally speaking, we have love seats that go with it. We just special order them. Actually, I have the love seat of this in the warehouse. I just don't have room on the floor. Don't want to clutter it up too much. End tables as well. This end table is not anywhere close to this series, but some people don't want to have glass. So we found one with the wood top. I'm even going to put, this is actually but I'm going to put gold on this so that it matches this sofa. I'm going to take you over to some bedroom suites now. Hang with us and I'm going to swoosh out. All right, we're in the bedroom section. I just wanted to show you this one real quickly. It's a beautiful set. Now what I differ in a lot of furniture stores is this is actually a marble top. You can always tell by feeling it, it's real cold. A plastic top, a paper product, a lacquer top usually doesn't have a really hot, cold temperature to it. Now this particular bedroom suite has 3 beds. It comes in king and queen, a sleigh bed, monster poster bed, and this is a panel bed. In this store that is very characteristic that we do that. I don't always put 3 beds on the floor because I just don't have the room. So when you look at everything, hey, say Conrad or one of my employees, does it have a different type of bed? And I can show you. Now, generally speaking, almost every single bedroom suite that I have in my store has wood drawer construction. Glides is different animals, but I won't bore you with that. I don't have enough time. I think I have about 1 minute left. I want to show you one more bedroom suite. All right, well, I'm showing you some monster bedroom suites, but that's okay. We have the smaller scale too for like guest bedrooms. Our bedroom suites start about $8.99 and up, but this particular one is just beautiful. An estates bed, leather headboard, not polyurethane, has hidden drawers and compartments inside of them. And Steve, span around this way, span over here. They also have matching dining rooms, end table sets, sofa groups that go with you. Actually, some of the ones I showed you earlier match these suits. So we can go to large tables up to small 45-inch diameter tables. Well, I just showed you a snippet of what we have in the store. Please come on in, Eddington's Etc. My name is Conrad Eddington at 327 Warfield Boulevard. Furniture, designs, and accessories.